Okay. We're going to do a new one here tonight that was written by the man on my right here, Mr. Mike Curley. I'm sure most of you know him. It's tell him about the song, Kit.
Okay, yeah. Well, I got so sick of hearing this song, John Deere B. I never grew up with a John Deere B tractor. That was for rich people. I grew up with an old red tractor, or Massey Harris. How many people remember the Massey Harris? All right. That's how I learned to drive on. Popped that clutch so many times, my uncles fell right off the hay wagon. I don't know how to. Anyways, this is a song called The New Ploughing Champion of the World. Clyne Farm, the hot sun don't mean no harm. It'll bake you hard, make you age before your time. On a rusty old Massey Harris, the young man plows the terrace. He's working hard to beat those Wellington men. Dig 'em long, dig 'em deep, dig 'em straight in your sleeve, making roads for fame and fortune throughout the land. Turn of the plow, he's getting stronger now. With each line of the earth, he's straight and true. He's learning how to win, digging hard and grin, just like old Grandpa did before. Dig 'em long, dig 'em deep, dig 'em straight in your sleeve, making roads for fame and fortune throughout the land. Worked for the paper, said she'd like to see me later. She took my picture, handed me her card. Now we're living down the line, I'm all hers and she's all mine, living together